Hi everyone, welcome back to Fusion Food Adventures. Today, we're taking you along for an exciting day in Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. From savory dim sum and fresh sushi to sweet treats at a local bakery, we're indulging in some incredible food spots. But it's not just about the food, we're also exploring hidden gems, from a stroll at the local beach to a stop at Fisherman's Wharf. So, join us for a day full of eating, exploring, and discovering what this city has to offer. Let's dive in. We're kicking off our day at the Mississauga Chinese Center, a charming spot with Asian eateries, treats, a supermarket, and more. Whether you want to explore or simply relax, this place has it all. Now, it's 8:30 in the morning. Time to treat ourselves to some dim sum. This old Peking duck restaurant has such a warm and welcoming atmosphere, with cozy decor that makes you feel right at home. The service was friendly and attentive, and the food, absolutely excellent. Every dish was a treat. We enjoyed it so much that we made a separate video with a full review. If you are interested, check it out on our channel. Next on our list, a quick stop at El Premium Food Mart, just a couple doors down, to grab some delicious tropical fruits. El Premium Food Mart is just a few steps away, and it's a hidden gem for anyone who loves tropical fruits. They offer a great variety, everything from sapodilla to soursop, and even other exotic fruits you might not find easily elsewhere. What I really liked was the reasonable pricing and the freshness of the produce. The store itself is clean, well organized, and has almost everything you could need, from fresh produce to snacks and international ingredients. It's definitely a convenient spot for all your grocery needs. We really enjoyed the Mississauga Chinese Center. If we're ever back in Mississauga, we'll definitely come here for the tropical fruits, snacks, and dining options. After checking out the El Premium Food Mart, it's time to walk off that big dim sum breakfast. We're heading just half an hour away to Square One for some shopping, and then we'll stop by Germain Bakery for some delicious treats. It's the perfect way to keep the day going. There's an overwhelming selection of pastries and cakes, and I'm not sure where to begin. This bakery is spotless and has an impressive range of options, with decent prices, especially for a mall location. It's a must visit if you're nearby. Oh, the egg tarts, definitely my favorite. My daughter and husband are cake lovers, but my two boys don't have much of a sweet tooth, so they usually prefer savory snacks or fruits instead. After indulging in some delicious treats from the bakery, it's time to unwind. Just a short drive away is a peaceful, less crowded local beach, perfect for a relaxing walk by the water. Confederation Beach Park is the ideal spot to breathe in the fresh air, enjoy the outdoor tranquility, and escape the hustle and bustle. With the gentle waves and open space, it is a great way to refresh and clear your mind before the next stop. Now, we're at Oakville Fisherman's Wharf, where a brand new condo development overlooking Bronte Harbor has just been completed. It almost looks like a grand cruise ship from afar. This charming little harbor is ideal for a leisurely stroll or a relaxing outdoor picnic, with its fresh, vibrant atmosphere inviting you to explore. If you're into kayaking or boating, this is definitely the place for you. With easy access to the water, we came across a lively local band that added a great burst of energy to the atmosphere. And if you're a photography enthusiast, the stunning sunsets over the harbor create the perfect backdrop for capturing unforgettable moments. The area is often dotted with local fishermen, adding to the authentic harbor vibe. We also spotted kids having fun fishing with friends, making it a lively and welcoming spot for all ages. I think Oakville Fisherman's Wharf is truly a hidden gem. There's so much to enjoy for all ages. Clean surroundings, a lively atmosphere with live band music, and even water sports. But now, it's time for an early dinner, since we have a flight to catch tomorrow morning. Let's head over to August 8th for a delicious meal to wrap up the day. It was really cool. Everything was ordered directly from a tablet at our table.
Here is the amount that we have, how much it would cost for all 5 of us, each person, and then these are what we ordered. And over here we can see the time it's estimated to come out.
That wraps up our day exploring Mississauga, Ontario. From great food to scenic spots and the vibrant atmosphere, we've really enjoyed what this city has to offer. If you ever visit, these spots are definitely worth checking out for a mix of fun and relaxation. Thanks for coming along on the journey. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Until next time, safe travels and happy exploring!